Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, I am going to be doing another lipstick swatching video. So this is a new brand to me. I was walking through Tjmaxx and I saw this and was like, why not? Today I'm going to be swatching these Jena matte liquid lipsticks. They come 5 in a set and this retailed for $3.99, which I was like I said, I was like, why not? Because it's 5 liquid lipsticks. Like, even if I end up not liking them, it's only $4. As always with my lipstick swatching videos, I'm going to come to you guys with clean exfoliated lips, and then I'll make sure that I have all the names at the bottom of the screen. Then I'll come back to you guys at the very end with all of my thoughts, comments, concerns, all that stuff at the very end of the video. So getting into the packaging, it does say Jena matte liquid lipstick, and then it does have this black tip that is attached to the applicator wand. And actually, now that I'm looking at all the lipsticks, there is no shade name. I'm looking at the bottom of the lipstick and then I read this side of the tube and there are no names for any of these lipsticks.
I'm relying on your love, and can you let me some, so that if I'm left with nothing at the bottom, you can be the one to come and help me up. You're the one that got responding to the calling. When my heart is heavy, you are sure you to hold tight. Hard to belly all the good in the cold times. So keep me warm before the freeze of the night grows. Body heat to more degrees if we like close. I know you know I got needs and you solve them. Through it all, you'll be there pulling for me, yeah. And when I'm caught up all deep in my problems, you of all people care someone I need. If I'm running thin on my luck and falling so behind, I will need your love. So I'm holding on to you. So I'm holding on to you. So I'm holding on to you. So I'm holding on to you.
Okay, you guys, so those are all 5 of the swatches. Just going ahead and getting into my notes. For these, you could get away with 1 coat, but I would just say play it by ear. Just see how it looks, and you're gonna end up doing either 1 to 2 coats. It really just depends on which one you're wearing. I will say that apply it slowly, and it's gonna apply it more evenly, so then that decreases the chances of you having to apply 2 coats of the lipstick. For all the ones that I swatched, as you guys saw, it was only 1 coat, so that was like in true form. That wasn't going back and touching it up. That was just 1 coat. I will say in terms of the consistency of the formula, then they are all very, very watery. So you want to take your time when applying these, because you don't want it to bleed all over your mouth and get in between your teeth and stuff. Just take your time, slow down, apply it very, very slowly. Every single one of these lipsticks had a perfume smell. I really didn't like it because it almost comes off like a cleaning agent smell. So I wasn't really a fan of that. The colors are slightly off from the tube, and I will say with the first 3 colors that I swatched, they all looked exactly the same, and even the last 2 colors, they looked exactly the same to me. But again, it was only $4, so I really can't complain. The final thing that I will say is that you do have to smile to loosen up the formula a bit. When you first put it on and it dries, then your lips just feel tight. Once you start talking, then it just loosens up a little bit. It doesn't crumble, but it takes away that like tight, restricted feeling. So that's just something to note. Again, I did find these at Tjmaxx. They were only $4, and I really can't complain because, I mean, it's $4 for a set of 5 liquid lipsticks. They're not terrible, but they're not the best ever. They're just kind of there. Like, I've definitely tried liquid lipsticks that were a lot worse, but these were okay. So I would say if you ever do see them at your Tjmaxx, definitely try them out. Why not? Even looking at them up close, they kind of look like some of the liquid lipsticks that I've purchased and swatched in the past. So these could even be a dupe for some liquid lipsticks that for 1 retail anywhere from $5 to $10. So these could be dupes for some things. So yeah, that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm pretty sure I already said this, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.
If I think you'll be my baby, I'm gonna shoot my shot and call you lady, 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 lady. If you're classy,